Hello, and welcome to Elite Biomedical Solutions. We're so glad you're joining us today. Elite Biomedical Solutions supports hospital biomedical departments by providing new Elite manufactured replacement parts, recertified parts, repair, and on-site services that help keep your equipment performing at high optimal levels. As your business partner, just like you, we're committed to ensuring patient safety by providing the highest quality replacement part to you, our customer.
At Elite, we've assembled a highly talented team of biomedical, mechanical, quality, and plastics engineers with over 120 years of experience in healthcare, automotive, and consumer products industries. All throughout the development process, Elite follows strict design control guidelines such as numerous design reviews, risk assessment and mitigation, testing and approvals to ensure that the Elite part meets all requirements before we finally release for market launch. During this time, product development is working closely with all other Elite teams: quality, manufacturing, assembly, customer service, sales, and our biomedical engineers to confirm that all bases are covered to deliver the high-quality product that our customers require. We value the input and suggestions from you, our customer, as well. Your knowledge is invaluable to Elite.
Commitment to quality flows from top management down to each employee and is the center of our organization. We are ISO 13485 and 9001 certified. We also comply with FDA's current good manufacturing practices. The quality department works hand in hand with product development for risk management and assists with verification and validation of our products and internal processes.
Grown vertically with in-house injection molding provides Elite and our customers with a huge advantage. We're now able to bring you, the customer, the best replacement parts in one facility.
Elite promises to manufacture replacement parts that meets or exceeds new OEM parts. Elite has 3 new high-precision, all-electric injection molding machines that include new robotics and our climate control facility that stabilizes our processes. For part validation, all of our engineers use scientific molding theories and are very diverse in their knowledge of material compounds.
At Elite, quality is everyone's job. Every employee has the authority and responsibility to stop production if an issue arises. Each production lot goes through inspection and testing prior to packaging for shipment. Elite meets the high standards of the healthcare marketplace. It is our goal to ensure customer satisfaction by shipping quality products that are safe and reliable.
At Elite Biomedical Solutions, our team understands your equipment, and our manufacturing quality exceeds industry standards. We meticulously and expertly manufacture replacement parts for the healthcare community. We are proud to develop innovative, cost-effective, quality solutions for their biomedical needs. Parts and products that are manufactured and carefully assembled right here in the USA and shipped nationwide.